Green California Leadership Awards are designed to recognize public sector projects throughout the state of California. In the waste management category, the award went to Gills Onions.
Our agency is very pleased and proud to have participated in the Gills project with almost $500,000 grant that led to the eventual successful demonstration of a biomass to energy plant.
I believe this is one of the best projects which the Commission has funded for quite a while. They have done a superb job. They are very cooperative. They are willing to share this technology with other companies and also find the needed R&D which can be used in the future.
Honestly, they could have won in energy too, but I think in some respects it's even more exciting that they're taking something out of the waste stream and turning it into energy. Not many people are able to do that.